So today OpenAI released ChatGPT version 4. Currently it's in test mode. We can try this on ChatGPT+. So when we go into here, we get this new pop-up that says introducing GPT-4. It's got advanced reasoning, complex instructions, and more creativity. So looking at the GPT-4 website here, what we can see is if we look down here, we have creativity. So GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. Also, it's going to be able to take visual inputs. So it can classify images now, and it can also generate captions and analyze what's inside of the image. And with the new API, it also allows for a longer context, handling more words for the input. If we have a look at the actual documentation, we can see that the max tokens has also been raised up for the different versions. And I'm sort of wondering if they'll do the same with what they've done with the 3.5 version, where each word will be a token and we have to send a separate string of tokens if we want to have a conversation with it. So via the API, let's say we had to send a question, it would send us a response, and we'd have to send our question, the response, and our new question back, which those tokens add up quite a bit because each word counts as a token. Now there are a few ways of getting around this. We can use like the NLTK and remove all the short words like of and the non-descriptive words. This could minimize the amount of usage that we use. If you'd like to see a video on how we can do that, or if you'd like to see a video on me using the GPT-4 and ask it particular questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to create that video. So if we click on try GPT-4 here, we now get this new one here. So the version 4 isn't as fast as the default version, but it has more reasoning and more conciseness. And as for the legacy version, we have increased reasoning and increased conciseness. If you'd like to see a live video on me asking this questions and potentially ask your own questions, let me know. We can see here that it's currently capped to 100 messages every 4 hours. If you'd like to see that video, pop a comment below.